Unlocking the language of music. Reading sheet music explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss that bridges the world of language and music. We're going to explore reading sheet music. For those of you learning English, this will be a great way to understand how music and language can intertwine, and for the musicians out there, it's an opportunity to look at sheet music from a linguistic perspective. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of reading sheet music together. Sheet music is essentially a written representation of musical notes and rhythms. Just like words form sentences to communicate ideas, notes and symbols on a sheet of music convey specific musical sounds. Think of it as a language where instead of letters and words, we use symbols to represent musical notes, pitches, and rhythms. This allows musicians to understand and perform pieces of music they've never heard before. To start reading sheet music, you need to familiarize yourself with two main components: the staff and the notes. The staff consists of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces, each representing a different musical pitch. Notes are symbols placed on the staff to indicate what note to play, how long to play it, and its rhythm. The clefs. At the beginning of the staff, you'll see a symbol called a clef. The clef tells you the pitch range of the staff. The 2 most common clefs are the treble clef, which is often used for higher-pitched instruments and voices. The bass clef, which is used for lower-pitched instruments. Reading notes. Each note has a specific position on the staff indicating its pitch. The higher the note is placed on the staff, the higher the pitch. The duration of the note is shown by its shape. For example, a whole note, a circle without any stem, is held for 4 beats, while a quarter note, a filled circle with a stem, is held for 1 beat. Music is not just about pitch. Rhythm plays a crucial role too. Rhythm is indicated through a combination of different notes and symbols, dictating how the music moves through time. The time signature is found at the beginning of a piece, right after the clef, and it tells you the rhythm structure. For example, a 4/4 time signature means there are 4 beats in a measure, and a quarter note equals 1 beat. Sheet music also includes expressive markings to guide how a piece should be played. These can indicate dynamics, how loud or soft, tempo, speed of the music, and articulation, how notes are played in relation to each other. These markings are crucial for bringing music to life and allowing musicians to express emotions through their performances. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating process of reading sheet music. Like learning a new language, it might seem daunting at first, but with practice, you'll find it a rewarding way to expand your musical and linguistic skills. Remember, music and language share the powerful ability to communicate deep emotions and stories. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and let the world of music open up to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.